Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw a flower. What we'll need is a piece of paper, a pen, pencil, or marker. I'm going to be using a marker today. First, you want to draw a circle. It could be as big as you want. I'm going to draw mine this big. Now, you want to draw a line coming out of the circle, curve the line, and make the line go down, like that. Now we have our first flower petal. We want to repeat that process. You're going to make a line go up, curve, go down, line go up, curve, go down, line go up, curve, go down, up, curve, down, up, curve, down, up, curve, down, up, curve, down, and finally up, curve, down. Now we have our flower. We want to make the stem of our flower. You can start anywhere you want. I'm going to start right here. We're going to draw a line going down, 2 lines, like this. Then where the line stops, we're going to draw a curve going up, another curve going down, like this. We're going to do the same thing for the other side. Curve going up, going down. Now right here, where we drew our curves, we're going to make the curve go down, like this on both sides. And in the middle of this curve, we're going to draw another curve going up on both sides. And now you have your flower.